Aditya Garwal from class 7th A studying in DPS Mathura Road.
And I am Kaduddin studying in DPS Mathura Road in class 7B.
And we are here to explain our project of a smart rain detection system and also an energy saver street light. So many people have problems as when it rains they need to rush up to their rooftop or their balcony so that they can cover up or take out their clothes so that they do not get wet. And also in the night when there is dark and there is less visibility, then the street lights take a lot of power by glowing all night. So we have used an IR sensor which will detect motion or a vehicle or any object, and then the LED will glow so that it saves energy. And also we have used a system which detects rain and then covers the clothes so that they do not get wet and the people would not have to rush or get pressured that their clothes may get wet.
And that are used Arduino Uno, IR sensor, LED and raindrop sensor, servo motor and LED and jumper wires.
Yes, that's all. And so what basically what this does is that the Arduino Uno, like this sensor detects rain and then the servo motor covers the lid over the clothes, protecting them from rain. And over here the IR sensor detects an object and then the LEDs glow. So now I am going to show you how they work. So as you can see, I will just show you how these work. So as you can see, now if I pour water on the rain sensor, yes. So as you can see, the lid is over the clothes and it is protecting them from getting wet from the rain. And now we are going to show you the IR sensor system. So as you can see over here, so the all the things have been powered up, and now if I keep my hand over here, the LED glows. That's why if we use this card and if we see that it's going, then the LED glows, helping it like track its way and navigate their way to their destination. Thank you.